Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This set is over 5 weeks old, so it's definitely time for a fresh set. We're going to be removing that. I'm now going in with some builder gel from Glitterbels, and I'm applying a slip layer over a nice prepped nail. Once I have my slip layer down, you don't cure that layer. I'm now going in with a bigger bead. Once I apply that, I do take a liner brush and I take that along the cuticle area and down the sidewalls of the nails to really get as close as possible to the skin without actually touching the skin. We just want to try to cover the whole nail. And then I like to flip the client's hand over so we can have that builder gel kind of pull towards the center of the nail to create a nice apex. You don't need to do this for too long, but if you do find that your builder gel is getting away from you, this is a really convenient technique that can kind of help get control of that builder gel again. Once that looks good, we're going to cure that in light for 60 seconds. I love the way this looks just by itself. It is so beautiful and natural looking. For this next part, you want to use a gel paint. You don't want to use a gel polish because I find that a gel polish is just a little bit too liquidy for this process. You want something kind of thick that doesn't take as much product to get the look that you're looking for. Taking that gel paint, I'm going to apply that right to the tip with a brush, and then I'm going to take a makeup sponge and just tap that in lightly into the tip of the nail, blending it downwards. And then I'm going to repeat that process. After curing, I'm adding another layer, doing the same technique, tapping that in with the sponge. I only did it twice to get the pigment I was looking for. You could do this a few more times and really get that white to shine through. I thought 2 times was perfect for the design that we were going for here. If you're having trouble with your ombre, try this technique and see if it works out for you. I do feel like less is more, and the gel paint does make a difference. It builds up easily, so you can always add more. For this next part, I wanted to add a little cat eye effect to it. So all I did was I took my silver cat eye that I had and just mixed it with a little bit of top coat, applied that over, and now we're activating it. The cat eye polish that I had was just too dark to use it on its own. It just covered up the design, but this is the way that it came out. I think they turned out so pretty and elegant. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this set, and all the products I use will be linked in the description box below. Bye!